Welcome, creative geniuses! Are you ready to transform humble Dollar Tree items into fabulous home decor pieces and unforgettable gifts? If yes, you're in the right place. Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're about to take your homemaking skills to the next level without breaking the bank. Here are some genius ideas that you'll absolutely love. Let's dive right in. We start our adventure with the ever-versatile glass vase. It's time to turn this ordinary item into a chic, high-end looking piece of decor. All you need are some rubber bands and spray paint. Wrap the rubber bands around the vase in a crisscross pattern, and then spray paint it gold, silver, or any color that complements your room. Once it's dry, remove the rubber bands, and voila! You've got yourself a sophisticated geometric vase that looks like it came straight out of a designer's showroom. Next, let's talk picture frames, those unsung heroes of home decor. Dollar Tree offers a variety of sizes and styles. Here's a tip. Gather a collection of them and create a stunning gallery wall. Spray paint all the frames the same color for a cohesive look. Fill them with family photos, prints, or even dried flowers for a touch of nature. This will not only personalize your space, but also act as a great conversation starter. If you're up for some luxury, let's elevate a plain Dollar Tree mirror. By simply adding a border of mosaic tiles or gems around the edge, you can turn a basic mirror into a stylish statement piece. Glue your chosen embellishments all around the mirror frame, let it dry, and there you have it. A glamorous mirror that's both functional and fabulous. Moving on, let's create some top-notch kitchen organization tools. Take those simple plastic bins and turn them into classy storage by using peel and stick marble paper. Wrap the bins carefully, and you've got yourself elegant-looking storage units that will keep your kitchen tidy and trendy. Now, for a delightful gift idea, DIY bath bombs. Gather baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, and essential oils, all of which you can find at Dollar Tree. Mix them together, mold them into shapes, and let them dry. Package these fragrant treats in pretty cellophane bags tied with ribbons. A thoughtful, handmade gift that's sure to impress. Another brilliant idea. Take those plain canvases and make stunning wall art. Use acrylic paints and painter's tape to create modern, abstract designs or inspirational quotes. This is an excellent way to add a pop of color and personality to any room. Plus, it's a fun, therapeutic activity. For your outdoor space, let's upgrade those plastic planters. Using rope and hot glue, wrap the rope tightly around the planter from bottom to top. This gives it a trendy, rustic boho look, perfect for showing off your favorite plants in a stylish way. Now, onto a cozy idea, DIY candles. Buy some Dollar Tree candles and decorative glass holders. Melt the candles using a double boiler and pour the wax into the new holders. You can add essential oils for scent or even dried flowers for a lovely touch. Let them harden, and you've got beautiful custom candles to light up your space or delight as gifts. Speaking of lights, let's not forget DIY lanterns. Purchase a set of those Dollar Tree faux leather handbags. Cut out patterns in the bags, insert a battery-operated tea light, and there you have an ambient lantern for your patio or living room. Lastly, let's spruce up your storage solutions. Find those plain metal mesh wastebaskets. Spray paint them in chic colors like black, gold, or white. Use them as stylish storage bins for blankets, toys, or laundry. It's a simple way to make the mundane look magnificent. And there we have it, folks. These are just a few innovative ways to transform Dollar Tree items into beautiful home decor and thoughtful gifts. Remember, creativity doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. So, next time you visit Dollar Tree, think beyond the label and imagine the possibilities. Happy crafting, everyone.